Hello you guys, so I'm going to show you guys real quick, very quick, how to make your own custom poly mailers. This will work great for you when you are sending off some products to your customers. So this right here is a part of my logo. So I am going to cut this on my Silhouette Cameo 4. I'm right here in Silhouette Studio. And basically what I'm going to do is cut this out. I'm not going to reverse it. I'm going to cut this out and then I'm going to weed it. And then I'll show you what it looks like during the weeding process. Be right back. Okay, so here is everything weeded out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut them out into individual squares right here. I'm gonna cut them out and then I'm gonna get some transfer tape and I'm gonna get my poly mailer and I'm going to transfer this image over to the poly mailer. I'll show you that in a moment. All right, you guys, so I have cut out all of my logos. This is Oracle 651 that I'm using, which is permanent vinyl. And then this is Oracle application tape. So I'm going to cut out a square and then I'm going to use the tape to transfer this onto the poly mailer. Okay, so I have my poly mailer here. So I'm going to show you guys real quick how to transfer the transfer tape and the 151. So I'm going to take the transfer tape. I'm going to move this out of the way. And I'm going to sit it on top of the image that I want to transfer. Now I have this, basically it's a cake scraper, but what you need is something flat. And you just want to go over top of it. Try to get all of the little air pockets out that you can. And then you want to pull it off. So now you're going to take this part, sit it on the poly mailer where you want to have it, and then you're just going to take the transfer tape, pull it back. Now in this case, one of my squares wasn't stuck all the way down, so I'm just going to set that back up there. And there it is. Okay, so in a moment, I'm going to get the words that I have to put up here, and then I'm going to do the same process to that one. Be right back. All right, you guys. So as you see, I have put the letters on. That was a process because honestly, the letters are too thin. I did the reverse weeding method, but the letters are still too thin. So I am really about time is money, and yeah, I don't want to use any letters that's going to take me 100 years to weed. So make sure that y'all's letters are thick enough that it's not taking you a whole lot of time. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you share this. This channel is very beginner friendly. I mean, if you want to get the ones that's already made, that's great. But if you want to brand your business and you want something now, these poly bags I got from Amazon. This vinyl is Oracle 651. You can get that from Amazon or from Michael's. And as long as you have a vinyl cutter, there you go. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thank you again for coming back to Marcella's Way, and we're out.